Hello, Kent Business College apprentices, and welcome. So you ever click buy now and just wonder what happens next? Well, it's not exactly magic, but honestly, it's pretty darn close. In this explainer, we are going to pull back the curtain on the absolutely mind-blowing tech that gets your stuff from a shelf to your front door. Okay, let's just jump right in. We all do it, right? That satisfying click, and we just expect a box to show up. But today, we're going on the secret, high-tech mission your order undertakes the second your finger lifts off that mouse. You see, the moment you click, a signal just zips across the internet, kicking off this perfectly timed, super complex dance of technology. It's like the starting pistol for a race. And from that very first second, the clock is ticking. Loudly. We all want our stuff like yesterday. In this game, speed is everything. It's not just about convenience. That speed gives us that little happy brain chemical rush, that dopamine hit that makes us love a brand. Now, to win this race against time, companies have a secret weapon. And yeah, you guessed it, an army of robots. We are about to go inside a warehouse that looks more like a sci-fi movie set, where automation is totally rewriting the rules. You're gonna wanna see this. So before our package can even think about hitting the road, it needs a passport. And no, not the kind you use for a holiday, but a digital one. This is what's going to track its every single move. Let's see how it gets its papers in order. First up, RFID. Okay, this is not your parents' barcode. This is a tiny electronic tag, and it's a complete game changer. It lets a company know exactly what it has and exactly where it is, down to the centimeter, all in real time. You ever wonder how a place like Zara seems to have every new trend on the shelf, like instantly? Well, a huge part of it is RFID. They can track every t-shirt, every pair of jeans. It's the tech that kills the phrase, "Sorry, we're out of stock." Finally. But hang on, what about security? How do we know the thing we ordered is, the real thing? That's where blockchain steps in. And no, it's not just for crypto. It's basically an unhackable digital passport for our products. With blockchain, you can trace a diamond all the way back to the mine it came from, or a piece of fruit back to the exact farm. It is all about building trust and being totally transparent, one secure digital handshake at a time. Okay, so our package has its passport, it's verified, it's tracked, it's legit. It is ready for the next leg of its wild journey, a trip to the automated warehouse. And trust me, this is where things get really, really cool. So welcome to the warehouse of the future. I want you to forget everything you think a warehouse looks like. No forklifts, no people wandering down long aisles. Here, you've got an army of robots gliding across a giant grid, picking and packing groceries with just mind-blowing speed. 65,000. That's how many orders a single one of these centers can handle in a week. Just let that sink in. It is a logistical symphony, and the robots are the musicians. Now, this is the part that should make your marketing brain light up. 5 minutes for a huge order. This insane efficiency is what lets a company confidently promise next day or even same-day delivery. That speed, that's not just logistics. That is a massive marketing weapon. Okay, our package made it through the robot hive. It's packed, it's ready, but its biggest challenge, the final boss battle, is still ahead. That last tricky journey to your front door. Welcome to the last mile challenge. I mean, look at this. From cute little 6-wheeled robots rolling down the sidewalk to actual drones dropping packages from the sky. Companies are getting so creative here. It looks like a sci-fi movie, but this stuff is happening right now in a town near you. So we've seen the tags, the robots, the drones, all this incredible tech. But what does it actually mean for you as a future marketing pro? This is where you connect all the dots and totally level up your strategy. All right, think of these as your marketing power-ups. Your mission is to match the promises you make with what your company can actually deliver. You have to tell a story about it. Is your story about being the fastest, the most eco-friendly, the most innovative? Get that story right, and you will build a brand people absolutely love. So what's the big final takeaway from all this? It's that all this incredible futuristic tech, it's not really about just moving boxes around. It's about something way, way more important. It's about the customer experience. Seriously, think about it. That delivery, that box arriving at the door, is the final physical interaction someone has with your brand. Was it fast? Was it on time? Was the packaging cool? That final handshake says everything. That is the power of mastering place in your marketing mix. So what story will your handshake tell?